Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss the problems based on the value of goodwill under super profit method. Let's see the problem here. The following particulars are available in respect of the business carried on by a trader. The profit earned by the following 3 years during the 2017-18 22,000, 18-19 29,000, 19-20 24,000. The normal rate of return is 10%. Average capital employed in the business is rupees 1,50,000. The present value of an annuity of rupee 1 to 5 years at 10% rupees 3.78. The profit included non-recurring profit on an average basis rupees 3,000. You are required to calculate the value of goodwill of the business on the basis of 5 years purchase of super profit, annuity method of valuation, then capitalization of super profits. Let's see here. The 3 years profit is to be given. First year 22,000, second year 29,000, third year 24,000. The normal rate of return is 10%. Average capital employed, directly the calculated figure is to be given here 1,50,000. The present value of annuity also given 3.78. The profit included non-recurring profit here on an average basis is to be given. It means that here whenever there is a non-recurring profit is to be given, that's why you have to deduct every year 3,000, because here on an average of non-recurring profit is to be rupees 3,000. That's why here the first year is to be 22,000, second year is to be 29,000, third year is to be 24,000. Among these 3 year profit, you have to deduct rupees 3,000 as non-recurring profit while ascertaining the average profit. And here this average capital employed is to be considered to find out the normal profit. Here normal rate of return is to be given. Then here annuity value is to be given. This amount is to be considered for calculation of value of goodwill under annuity method. Then third one is there, the capitalization of super profit. First step is to be, you have to find out average profit, then you have to go with the normal profit, then you have to find out super profit. After calculating the super profit, following these methods is to be considered for calculation of value of goodwill, that is 5 years purchase of super profit, annuity method of valuation, then capitalization of super profit. Let me start the solution here. The first you have to calculate the average profit. The first step, calculation of average profit. Yes, calculation of average profit. Here first you have to take 3 years profit, that is 22,000 plus 29,000 plus 24,000 divided by number of years is to be 3 years is equals to 75,000 divided by 3 is equals to 25,000. This average profit before adjustment of non-recurring profit. That's why here you have to deduct non-recurring profit. Here average is 3,000, then the remaining balance 22,000. This is the average profit. Then second step is to be calculation of normal profit. Here normal profit is equals to average capital employed, ACE nothing but average capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100 is equals to the average capital employed is 1,50,000 into normal rate of return is 10% is equals to normal profit is 15,000. This one is the normal profit and this one is average profit. Then third step, calculation of super profit is equals to average profit minus normal profit is equals to average profit is 22,000, normal profit is 15,000. Let's take here 22,000 minus 15,000, then you will get 7,000. This is the super profit. Then now you have to calculate the value of goodwill under three methods, that is sub methods of the super profit. Right here, calculation of value of goodwill. And the first one, 5 years purchase of super profit. Then formula is, first write value of goodwill is equals to super profit into number of years of purchase. Here super profit 7,000 into number of years is to be 5 is equals to 35,000. The next one, here the second, B, annuity method of valuation. Annuity method of valuation. Here value of goodwill equals to super profit into annuity value. Super profit is 7,000 into 3.78, then is equals to 26,460. This is the first one, this is the second one. Then third one, capitalization of super profit. Capitalization of super profit. Then value of goodwill is equals to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Here 7,000 into 100 divided by 10 is equals to 70,000. This is the value of goodwill under the capitalization of super profit. Here 5 years purchase of super profit, the value of goodwill is 35,000. Under the annuity method, the value of goodwill is 26,460. Then capitalization of super profit, here value of goodwill equals to 70,000. Here this is the solution for the above said problem. Thank you all.